Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic now about this woman where they Italy, where go they open itself for guys for Nigeria, My darling people, this woman, your matter tire me like seriously. Because why? Why I dey vex for this woman? Why I must quarrel with her? Why I must discipline her? Not be small pikin number one. Yesterday I watched Mama Gladys. He say he know the woman. Now sister I even dey call her. Say I talk and say 60 years. People they say she never reach that age. Now lie. Now 60 years she did. Not be small pikin. Mama Gladys say either 55 to 60. Say because not be small pikin. Say he know her well. Say na big woman. She get money. She dey okay. Okay. My darling, why e be say me go really quarrel with this woman? Why I go really discipline her? Because she behave like small pikin. Abeg, the truth have to be said here. She behave like small pikin, my darling people. How can the elderly woman do this kind of a thing? Like seriously, now just they use for her. This woman never see this guy face to face, not be boyfriend. Now all those guys maybe said they call you for video call for Facebook, or they toast you. They want me you and if you pick their call, some of them go bring their John Thomas come out. It happened to me once at the time where we say I did I just a day inside house, my phone ring, video call. I say, who be this way they call me? That's to make I pick her. My people, eh? This guy bring his John Thomas come out. That's why I think we cut the phone. You understand? So I believe saying now what did they do to this woman? She fall put because he don't see big John Thomas now. She want to do. Like seriously. And you never see this person face to face. Even the picture where they use so this guy picture not be the guy. This guy picture where they use so not be the guy, my darling people. Not be the guy. Why it be say we know they use our HQ? How can the elderly woman? How you want to advise your own daughter? How you take advice her? I see say one woman call me begin they insult her head. Say why me go do the video? Like seriously. If na your friend, you say this thing can happen to anybody. Yes, it can happen to anybody. That is if that person no they watch social media. This woman, now me can't even when I can go check the woman pictures, I can't see say now woman will be saying that my friend for Facebook before. And this woman, they follow social media, see they follow people well. All those presenters. If they see how they're gonna talk this thing, even his sister Mama Gladys, I know what she do that time. When she talk about that one where they say get one pikin for Nigeria, say the pikin mama don't die, the guy go to scam people. This Mama Gladys is talking. She wanted me say she not hear am. She wanted me say she not hear am. This woman, my darling people, this woman, so whether they call her Adesuwa, so he never, as in this guy toast her through phone, through all those video call. Then they bring in John Thomas come and the John Thomas come they enter this woman head. Now this woman begin, they come they pull the cloth. Not be saying that your boyfriend. What did they put for mat? They tell you. What did they put for mat? They tell you this woman. Now just they use for you. My darling people, when I listen to voice record, when I listened to Lolo yesterday too, when Lolo they talk about the matter, say not be say the according to why this guy bring this thing come out, my darling people, the guy though already they blackmail the woman say if you not send me money, I go bring your body come out, this video come out. So the woman now come begin you not send money go give am. Like they say you get money, why you not gonna give am money? You not send money go give the guy. Then the guy come take blackmail and say he go bring the video come out. Even all the record the day here, my darling people, more na listen o. Even the guy picture where they use, so na Liberian guy. The guy don't know one, no two. This guy don't know one, he don't know two. Yesterday, when Mama Gladys did live video, one of the scammers called Mama Gladys say, this guy push away una dey talk. So not be this guy they innocent too. This guy don't know one, no two. Make he say may he call you for video call, may he show you something. See how they take they do am. How they take they do am. They not not be that guy this picture so because when they do the video call that face show but not be they get the way they take they do am. All those internet wizards, yo, not go there. He get the way that they do am wey be say you go fit say na the person wey did that picture so but not be him. Not be him. If they tell una something more una dey hear. All those women more una say they watch social media now. This woman be they follow all those presenters. Why it can't be saying that you come for victim for this kind of thing? Elderly woman like you. The one talk the same they're not talking to a woman like you. I'm so a woman like me, but you have to receive sense. Can you imagine elderly woman like this? Go they pull the cloth. The guy go say, open here. I don't see and where. He go see open now. Open the back. He go see open now. Do your this thing. We are not the see and where. Go front. And the woman go just really they do am. You know come say this guy the video and there many for them not believe you want to see your Kpekus there. Open your Kpekus where you go see open now. Elderly woman. What do you they look for? Boys not for na poly there. Why you not go carry one adoro boy? Make yourself in the jogodo with him. Why you can't be say now guy we never see face to face. I don't know how they fall for all those people. Because if they because of me they do this scam, they can never lie. What don't you understand? Make me you not talk now, elderly woman.
This is a sound. See?
He said the woman not go fit do anything. He said not go fit do anything. He said not go fit.
When I see you few things, while I'm sharing the video, you see? You can shout at me. If you don't want to negotiate this with me.
He said make the woman bring money. If the woman not bring money, he go publish the thing. I want to talk for the voice record here. And the woman send and go give Lolo.
Keep sharing it. I just sent it to a little people and it's affecting you like this. I'll keep sharing it.
The woman call the tell her say I beg, make you know send down. According to the guy, say he go meme himself. The boy say who care if you meme yourself? You care. Let the guy take publish and because he not give the guy money.
How can you people I share it? He's not sharing it to other people.
He say he don't share and give 3 people. 3 people that he don't share and give.
According to the I'll get more joy when I see you few things while I'm sharing the video. Guess what this means? It's not one of them negotiate this with me. This was the same picture. I just sent it to a little people and it's affecting you like this. I'll keep sharing.
He said now let 3 people he don't share and give. He said don't they affect the woman. He said he go continue to the share and the guy tongue na Igbo guy. Igbo guy. And a Nigeria ID.
Happy the people I share it. It's not sharing it to other people. I give you a chance to settle this with me. You think I'm joking? You went ahead and start threatening me that police is doing that. Police is doing that. You mad? Now you're telling me you see this. Do you think I will share the video before? If you give me money, I will share the video. But you didn't give me money. So I shared with the video and I will keep on sharing it.
He said the woman they threaten her no fear. They tell her say police. He said who be police? He said supposing the woman give her money if for not share. Since he not give her money, he go continue to the share.
Oh, you will kill this night. What? I give you a chance to settle. Yo.
He said give the woman a chance to settle her. The woman not great settle her. So he go continue to they share the video they go.
He's making mockery of the guy. You FBI, me,
The guy where they speak this English, so now the Liberia guy, where they use the picture so. The guy they tell them say, why did they use the picture? He don't know them. Say he go give them to every eye. They tell us say make he go to hell, make he do anything he want do. You not consign them.
This till I die. You know what I'm saying? Fuck the purple. You come and get me. I'm here waiting for you, idiot. You motherfucker. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck your FBI. Come and get me. Come to Nigeria. Coronavirus is gonna kill you. Ebola is here. Don't try. Oh boy. Run.
He said make the guy come Nigeria. He said if the guy come Nigeria, he say Okoro drivers go deal with the guy. He said the guy don't know anything.
We are still seeing you every day, day by day. You're a motherfucker, you know? You're a fool. Instead of you to go and lie down on your bed and record a video that will be using to work, you're here talking rubbish. Scam a woman from Australia, this, that. What thing concern you and that woman? So you don't marry Matilda, you still don't look for another woman. You crazy so. Woman will don't tear her pussy for phone.
Yeah.
You don't even happy say
He say woman wey they don't tear Kpekus for phone. Oh, this woman, no.
they promote you, they make you popular. You don't make me vex so. See. But I tell you, lie down for your bed. Make video for us. We will tell woman say we want sleep. That the video be that. I beg. Now you get all the tools we want for this work, but we know that video we need that. It is spoil work for us all that. I beg. See no man. I have family. That's your presence, your little that you like so much.
It is send message to the because this Liberian woman have to contact that woman for Italy. And that one can't give am the number where they say they talk to her. So that guy now can't send a message, begin to tell them say, he go add over there to police. Now this guy now they hear what they talk, now they tell and say, make you shut up your mouth, say not fit do anything. Not fit do anything. You see they ask and say, that your beautiful daughter. Because now a profile that they use.
And they are son. How is Matilda? Can't lie down and do video for your boys. Oh, they collect money they steal for you. For you.
He said make the guy go lie down, say make that they collect money they keep for him. You see him?
You I could just lie down for my bed like this. Do one better video when you say if women see they will go mad. Because you're gonna then say you be FBI, what?
Okay.
FBI, what? Every day you drive us. More than punishing.
So my darling people, now so the record is rich. So who to blame? Is it the woman or those guys? This woman where they watch social media, they see what they happen. And not the funny part. The one where just say they fall victim now, we just see they not the fall victim. The one we just see they do you now, we just see they do one. I don't understand, shall. And the funny part, elderly women, and they even fall this victim. Elderly women, more than the shame. How can this woman go tell me say no say this guy's not scammer? Person where you never see face to face. Now the guy John Thomas now that one they carried you away. John Thomas where be saying I only phone you for the CM. Now you what the guy talk. Only phone. You not see him face to face. You begin even your own husband self, you don't go even do one with him. Talk less of a guy who you never see face to face. I did disappointed in you, this woman, Madam Adesu, I did disappointed in you.